Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on implementing dynamic drag and drop list reordering with smooth animations using React and TypeScript. In today's web-driven world, creating interactive and intuitive user interfaces is more critical than ever. One way to achieve this is by employing drag and drop functionality, which enhances the user experience by allowing direct manipulation of list items. We will explore how React, a popular JavaScript library known for its component-based architecture, combined with TypeScript's static typing, can help us build a robust and maintainable drag-and-drop interface. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement this feature, complete with smooth animations that make your application not only functional, but also visually appealing. So, let's dive into the world of dynamic UIs and see why this skill is becoming increasingly vital in modern web development. To begin, let's delve into the theoretical concepts underpinning dynamic drag and drop interactions. At its core, this UI pattern enhances user engagement by allowing users to reorder list items through direct interaction. React's component-based architecture is perfect for this task, as it enables efficient rendering and promotes code reusability. With TypeScript, we add another layer of reliability, ensuring type safety and reducing potential runtime errors. This combination is particularly advantageous when managing complex state updates or integrating external data sources. Drag and drop interactions are made possible through libraries like react-beautiful-dnd, which abstracts away the complexity of handling these interactions. The library provides built-in solutions for common challenges such as managing multiple lists and nested drag sources. To make these interactions more engaging, we incorporate smooth animations using CSS transitions or libraries like Framer Motion, which offer effects like fading, sliding, or scaling. These animations provide visual feedback, making the interface feel more responsive. Understanding these concepts not only helps in implementing the functionality, but also in optimizing it for performance and accessibility, ensuring a seamless experience across different devices and browsers. Now that we've covered the theory, let's move on to a practical code example that demonstrates implementing drag and drop list reordering using React and TypeScript. We'll focus on the core file where the drag and drop logic is implemented. This example will guide you through setting up the environment, managing state, and applying animations. We'll use react-beautiful-dnd for handling the drag and drop logic and TypeScript for type safety. Here's the file that brings it all together. Let's see our drag and drop functionality in action. Imagine you're using a task management application. You load the page, and the list of tasks appears, ready for interaction. You can see each task as a draggable item. Initially, these items are in a set order: Item 1, Item 2, Item 3, and Item 4. To reorder them, you simply click and drag Item 1 and move it between Item 2 and Item 3. As you drag, you'll notice smooth animations providing visual feedback, enhancing the overall experience. Once you release the item, the list updates instantly, now showing Item 2, Item 3, Item 1, and Item 4. This dynamic interaction is both intuitive and efficient, demonstrating the power of combining React and TypeScript with drag and drop libraries to create seamless user experiences. In conclusion, we've explored how to implement dynamic drag and drop list reordering with smooth animations using React and TypeScript. This powerful combination allows us to build highly interactive and user-friendly applications. We've discussed the importance of state management, the role of drag and drop libraries, and how to enhance user experience with animations. As you continue to develop your skills, consider the practical applications of these techniques in real-world scenarios, such as task management tools, e-commerce platforms, and content management systems. These insights not only equip you to meet user expectations, but also to push the boundaries of modern web development. Keep experimenting, reflecting on your experiences, and iterating on your designs to create even more engaging interfaces. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy coding!